So guys, I thought it was time for me to get a brand new camera, and I got one. This little baby. It's a GoPro Hero8 Black, and I'm filming right now on both of them. This one is Canon G7X Mark II, which I've had for over 3 years, and just now it started to fall apart a little bit, and I thought I'd mix things up and get a GoPro Hero8. I'm not sure, I haven't had a chance to try this GoPro too much. I'm not a huge fan of vlogging on it. I think filming like active situations would be really fun, like going to the mountains with the kids. It would be really fun. I'm not sure how I feel about such wide angle, and I think Canon does more of a, you know, vlogging really good job because of the blurry background and focused on the subject, and it's really easy with the screen on top like this. GoPro will come up with a screen attached to the camera. I think they said this December, so we've got about a month to go, but I'm not sure about the image for the kind of front facing situation, but the filming and the stabilization should be really good on this one, and we're going to test it right now as we drive downtown Calgary, and we'll I'll try and film them side by side for the comparison. I'll pop them on the screen together when we get downtown. Side by side comparison right here. Again, only November. Pretty though. See you guys when we get downtown. So here we go. I find the colors on GoPro a lot more saturated than on this Canon, and I prefer the Canon one, so I think I might get another Canon G7X Mark II for just like walking around point and shoot kind of camera, and for more like mountain trips and lake trips and all that, I'm going to use this GoPro a lot more because it's more of an action camera. I would definitely take it on like canoe rides and kayaks and just hiking, general hiking, because of a lot wider angle. I love that because this camera doesn't capture as much, although for like just point and shoot I still prefer this one. I will continue to explore this one more and use this one more because I feel like I haven't really discovered all the modes. I really appreciate the stabilization on this one. I think I'm just not used to it, so it's hard for me to say, oh my god, I hate this one, still love mine, because I'm so kind of stuck in my ways. I've filmed and vlogged on this Canon G7X for over 3 years, guys, so it's like my 3rd baby. So this is gonna be my 4th baby. There's a lot of babies. So excited to keep trying this and getting my head around this because I don't really know all the settings yet, and I want to find them all out, to use all the hyper boosts and hyper smooth things and everything, which I haven't used for this video as we were driving around. So let me know what you think, especially after this side-by-side comparison. Do you like the colors? Do you like what the wide angle looks like? Yeah, I'm looking forward to hearing from you, reading your comments, so leave those in the comment section and give this video a big like if you enjoyed it. Ask me any questions about GoPro, maybe I'll know the answers. I don't know anything about it yet. Give this video a like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and we'll see you all again next time.